What up, guys? Live Eventually checking in. Nice to meet you. Today we got a great one. 6 life and money lessons learned from Patrick Bed David, PBD, Mr. Valuetainment himself, one of the pioneers of entrepreneurship content on the YouTube space, as well as this guy just sold his insurance company for over $100 million, guys. Yes, his insurance company, a small insurance company, he started by himself, and he just sold it for over $100 million, guys. This guy currently runs 8 companies. He doesn't stop, doesn't sleep. PVD, stay tuned.
All right, starting off at number 1, he says that you're either going to use your experiences to become bitter or better. If you're going to be better, you have to reflect. You have to look back and learn from your mistakes. You have to do a self-audit, as I call it. You have to review every conversation, every email, replay in your mind, face-to-face conversation, Zoom call, whatever it is. You have to look and see what you've done wrong, what you've done right, improve on certain things, look at the negative, learn from the negative, and move forward. Don't be bitter, just be better.
At number 2, and this one is crucial for you guys, especially those of you scaling your businesses. The less your business depends on you, the more successful it's gonna be, guys. If you gotta do every single little thing in your business, you don't necessarily have a business, you got a high-paying job. The more you can step away from your business, the more valuable it becomes. There's no way Patrick is able to sell his company for over $100 million, him being the sole proprietor doing every single thing for himself, right? So that's the only way your business is gonna actually scale. You're gonna have to take a step back, empower some employees, contractors, and that's the best way to do it.
All right, next. The average employee with great habits can eventually become a great entrepreneur. Guys, it's about putting forth effort. You may not be the best. You may not be the most intelligent in the room. You may not have all of the intangibles, whatever it may be. But if you are diligent, you show up on time, you show up before you're supposed to be there, you're willing to learn, you're willing to go above and beyond. That is what it takes to be a great entrepreneur. It takes work ethic. It takes diligence. It takes that not giving up, not stopping just because you didn't get an outcome that you preferred. You didn't get the outcome that you liked. Guys, it's all about moving forward, but with an open mind to always working hard.
At number 4, guys, never deny yourself the opportunity. Never deny yourself the opportunity to be great. Never deny yourself the opportunity to be courageous. Never deny yourself the opportunity to step outside your comfort zone, guys. Life is short. You want to make sure you maximize as much as possible. Never deny yourself the opportunity.
If you can see, hear, speak, those are all the necessary tools that you need to have in order to have a successful life. That is all you need to do. And you just have to use these, fine-tune your skills, learn new things, and use these intangible assets that you have. Your voice. You can walk, you can talk, do it. And take yourself to the library, take yourself to the computer to learn something. Speak at networking events to people who know more than you. Surround yourself with people who are high-level, high-value thinkers. Learn from them, absorb that information, apply it to your life. Those are the only 3 things you need. See, speak.
Final point, guys, at number 6, when it comes to money/business, you have to be patiently aggressive. What does he mean by that? Don't necessarily want to be on the sideline, you want to be overly aggressive, but you want to somewhat be in the middle where you're aware of what's going on and going after what you want and need for your company, your business, as well as your teammates, right? So when it comes to money/business, you want to be patiently aggressive, guys. There you guys have it. 6 life and money lessons learned from PBD, Mr. Valuetainment himself. Like, comment, subscribe below. Eventually, the world's yours.